Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good morning to my lecturer. So, my name is Naraina binti Mamahi. My lecture is S7512. So, today I'm going to present my marine system engineering. So, the question is, what type of fuels are commonly used in marine smoke fuel boilers? And what are the factors influencing fuel selection? So, there are a few types of fuels that are used in marine smoke fuel boilers. So, the first one is liquid fuels, and the second one is the gaseous fuels. Okay, going to talk about liquid fuels. So, marine smoke escape boiler typically use liquid fossil fuels because of their energy density, easy of storage, and suitability for boiler beneath. So there are a few types of liquid fuels. So the first one is light fuel oil. So this type of fuel are commonly used in large ships. However, these fuels have a very high viscosity and it requires the preheating. But this fuel has a low cost and high the output. Okay, the next one is marine diesel oil, MDO. So, marine diesel oil are cleaner than HFO, which if HFO is heavy fuel oil, or in other terms, is residual fuel oil. So, this marine diesel oil, it have a very low viscosity. And usually, this type of diesel oil are used for startup and auxiliary boilers. So next is marine gas oil, MGO. This type of marine gas oil have a very low sulfur content. So it will produce a clean combustion and the smoke won't pollute the environment. This type of marine gas oil, this MGO, are usually used in ports and emission control center. So the last one, example for liquid fuels, is hydrogen fuel oil. On the other terms, is residual fuel oil. This oil have an easy ignition and usually used in a smaller vessels or a standby boilers. Okay. Moving to the next type of gases or fuels is a gaseous fuels. There are two types of gaseous fuels, which is liquefied natural gas and liquefied petroleum gas. So, I'm going to talk about liquefied natural gas. Liquefied natural gas have a very low emissions. However, it have a very high efficiency, but it requires special storage and safety system. For liquefied petroleum gas, it have a clean burning fuel. Okay, this type of gas is a clean burning fuel and usually used in some specialized vessels. Okay. Next is the factors influencing fuel selection. So there are a few factors that influencing fuel selection. The first one is cost and availability. So HFO, which is cheaper and widely available. However, MGO and LNG are more expensive and proven. So, usually HFO are used in a combined basis. Okay, next is the boiler design and burner compatibility. So, boiler must be designed for fuel viscosity and combustion characteristic. But not all boilers can burn LNG or high viscosity fuels. Okay, next is the safety. The point is, you have to have a flash point and handling risk. So, as an example, LNG requires strict safety measures. Okay, moving to the next factors is environmental regulations. ECAs require low sulfur fuels like MGO or LNG. Okay, next is a storage and handling requirements. So, HFO needs heating system and purifiers. Okay, for LNG, it needs cryogenic tanks and safety system. Okay, moving to the next factors is maintenance, and operational considerations. So, these factors play a big role in a fuel selection. A cleaner fuels reduce soot formation and maintenance. So, every company will put a maintenance and operational considerations as the main point in choosing a fuel for your use. So I think that's all for me. Thank you.